Hello everyone, once again, I'm sharing you my exercise this morning and I'll do this squat. So, i-estimate ko lang siya guys kasi mamadali na ako at marami na akong may abangan pala ako na order. So, you can do like this, you can hold your knees. So, so last ko na itong uploading ko. Bad signal ako kahit naka-data. Bago naman ang data ko kasi ka-open ko lang isang araw. Pero bad signal pa rin. So, nangyari ko yung laman. I'll see you guys tomorrow.